This is your boy Pyramid, and I am in the building. Or should I say house? Anyway, today I'm coming at you with another video. This is my video I just got a snack crate. And for people that don't know what a snack crate is, a snack crate is like a mystery box for all around the world snacks. So if you like mystery boxes, a snack crate will do it for you. I don't even know where this one came from yet because I haven't opened it. It's still sealed. First, let's take a look at the box. It's a nice blue color with white writing on it. You can see everything very clearly. You can see everything very clear. It's made with recyclable material. It's a monthly box from around the world. And you can purchase them by snackcrate.com. At the end of this video, I will be able to show you a card, a promo code. It's my promo code. We both get a discount if you sign up using my code. I think it's a $10. I think it's a $10 promo code off of your first purchase. So we gonna hop into this video. You feel me? All right, my bad. My headphones died. I didn't charge them up, and I've been using them almost all day. So, like I said, we're gonna go ahead and hop on up in this snack crate. You feel me? I'm gonna let y'all get a look at it first. Oh, okay, so this is where this month's snack crate is from. It's from the Philippines. Oh wow, they have, I did not know that they actually had these. It's for to try their ice creams and other cold snacks and whatever. So I guess you can do that by visiting. For this month's, it's like I said, it's the Philippines. The website's right there. snackcrate.com/Philippines. So, let me see, what's these? Okay, I guess these are stickers. I don't know why I would need stickers, but hey. Oh, here's another sticker. I don't know. I guess that's more so for put on your shirt. Like a name tag. But we're gonna go and see what's inside of here. Okay, so there's a few more things down at the bottom of that. I thought it was only going to be those three. Okay, so first things first, we have Choco Soaked Snack Sponge Crunch. And that's how the packaging looks. We also have, I don't know if I'm going to say this right, a oob cake. This kind of looks interesting. All right, this is adobo flavor. I guess these is like corn chips. Yeah, they're called corn mix. This is actually, out of the ones I've seen so far, this is actually the one I hope actually tastes good. I'm looking forward to those. This is a wafu. W-A-F-U. It is a rolled wafer with creamy chocolate filling. All right, we have 3 more to go. This is a Cloud 9 Classic. It's luscious caramel, pyramid. I'm sorry. It's caramel, peanuts, and soft nougat enriched chocolate. So it's basically a Philippines version of a Snicker bar. And these two actually are the same thing, just different flavors. Skyflakes crackers. This is sweet milk flavor. They called it consensada. Consensada. I'm not really a fan of wafer like snacks, but I'm gonna try it anyway. This one is chocolate. I don't know how to pronounce that, but it's basically saying chocolate in their native tongue. All right, well, that's it for inside of this box. So we're going to go ahead and set this beautiful box to the side. Well, no, we're going to use it as a stool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to go in order. I don't remember exactly which order it was that I picked them out. So right now I'm going to try the chocolate soaked snack sponge cake. Oh, damn. You know what? I was trying to do it the correct way, but I'm going to just rip it open. Sorry. Okay, this doesn't look very pleasant. It looks like a giant chocolate Cheerio. It smells good, though. Okay. It tastes like what is those things called? It tastes like a chocolate, the vanilla wafers, but chocolate. Once again, I'm not really a fan. Honestly, I'm not a fan of chocolate, but it's pretty good. If I was to eat this and drink some milk, I probably would be all right. My kids drunk all the milk though. You want to taste one? It's not bad for it to be chocolate. Now, out of all of them that I've looked at, the oud cake was the suspicious looking one to me. So I'm going to try that one. Oh. What is that? It's like it has an interesting smell to it. I'm not even gonna bite into this. I'm gonna just take a bite off of it. I'm gonna take a piece off of it. It tastes better than it looks. It's a light flavor. It's nothing too strong. It's not chocolate. It's good. It's good. You ain't getting none of that one.
It's not chocolate.
No, it's actually good. I'm like, it doesn't smell like it would be good, but it was good too. Okay, so there's one, like I said, there's one yes and one no for me because I'm not really a big fan of wafers or chocolate like that. And that's exactly what that's both of those. Okay. I wanted to go in order, but since this is actually the one that I've been looking forward to, once I opened the box and I saw it, I'm going to make that one last. Next is going to be the Philippines version of a Snickers bar. Cloud 9. I feel I've heard this name before. Not how the ghetto people use it, but I feel like I've heard this candy bar before. It actually doesn't, it sort of looks like a Snickers, but it's not as big as a Snickers. It's not even as big as, not even as thick as a snack size Snickers. But like I said, this is the Cloud 9, and it's basically the exact same thing that's in the Snickers, just about. It's caramel, peanuts, nougat, and chocolate. Ugh. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Uh-uh. No. I would rather eat 10 bags of these than this.
Is it hard?
It's not hard. It's too much nougat. So it's like, not for me. You just nasty. You are weird. Children are weird. They eat anything. Anyway, next is the wafu, which is basically a rolled wafer. The Philippines have a lot of wafer candy, wafer snacks. Like, why? Why do y'all have so many wafer snacks? It's wafer with chocolate on the inside of it.
You know what time it is, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a whole clock right there. I feel like I've tried this before. Well, I know I have. But probably with more flavor to it, because I can look at it and see that, the what they call those, the cereal straws they used to sell. You can dunk it in your milk and you went down my throat. You dunk it in the milk and you drink it like it's a straw, and you get the taste of the, like the cereal, like once you eat the cereal, how the milk tastes afterwards. That's how that would taste. But you can't even really see the chocolate in there, really. Okay. It's not bad. Oh, you look like you thought you was about to get some of this one.
I don't like that one.
Yeah, you weren't getting it anyway.
I don't like that one anyway.
I'm glad they don't have a lot of chocolate in this. Because if they had a lot of chocolate in it, it would be disgusting. But they have just the right amount
Don't you eat Twix?
for you to be able to taste the chocolate and the... Yes, I do eat Twix, but Twix is just the outside is coated with chocolate. The inside is a cookie and caramel. And there's different types of chocolate. All chocolate ain't good. Okay, I'm gonna put this over to the side because I still got a few more things to do. So first is the milk flavored wafer. Well, it's a cracker. It's not a wafer. It's a milk flavored cracker, I guess. Oh wow, it's actually a cracker. I'm thinking it would be like a sandwich or something because that's how it kind of looks. With like some kind of cream on the inside of it, but it's not. It's actually just a straight cracker. Well, it's 3 crackers stuck together. It tastes like a unsalted cracker. Like it tastes like a saltine with no salt on. It's not bad. It's just, like I said, it's just a plain cracker. So I can eat more of that. Now this one is the one I've been worried about. It's chocolate flavored cracker. Like, how do you make a cracker chocolate flavored? I don't know. Oh wow. So I'm sorry, it was supposed to be a sandwich. It was supposed to be a cracker sandwich. It's just they don't have enough. They didn't have enough cream on it to keep it stuck together. So I'm gonna go back to the milk flavored one so I can try it with the cream on it. That cream kind of that dry. That is dry. That is dry. Okay. It's still good.
By itself is nasty.
Hmm?
The crackers itself is nasty.
Well, my daughter says it's nasty because you know how kids are.
That's because it's not chocolate. That's usually like it.
You ain't getting that one? No, it's actually good though.
It's not chocolate.
All right, we're gonna go to the chocolate one. Ooh, the chocolate's strong. I'm trying to remember what this kind of remind me of. It's not bad though. It remind me of a It kind of reminds me of Nutella. If that is how you say it, Nutella, whatever it is, because I know some people say it differently. Nutella, don't know why, but like you said, that's how it looks. That's how it looks after I bit into it. You can't really even see the chocolate because it's not as much chocolate as you would think it is, but it's not even regular chocolate. It's more so cocoa. That's what it is. It's more so like if you was to try to open the package of hot cocoa and just eat the cocoa. That's how that tastes. I was trying to think of it. And last but not least, the one I've been waiting to try. The Philippines version of the corn chip. And it's an adobo flavored. It says bigger, tastier, and crunchier. Ooh. I don't know why they have it in these packages. They'd be so hard to open. Like, oh, well, this one wasn't that hard. But the packaging is so thick. It's just corn chips, like I said. It actually smells like straight corn. Wow. Now, like I said, I was actually looking forward to eating these. These are good. These are really good. So out of all of these, if I was to go to the store and find these in the store, these is what I would buy these. And, you know, don't judge a book by its cover. Because I wrote these out completely when I looked at the packaging because that looks disgusting. But it was good. So these would be the two main ones I would buy if I was to actually go to the store and find them. So is it a snack crate? Before I end this video, I'm gonna put my code so that you can get your $10 off of your first snack crate. I'm also, if you missed the code, I'll also put it in the description box down below. So anybody can use it however many times. You know, well, you can only use it once a piece, but multiple people can use it. It's not just a one and done. Like I said, this was this month's snack crate. Sorry about that. That was this month's snack crate, November 1st, 2019. And it was the Philippines. I can't wait to see what they give me next month. But until then, Pyramid of Bosses signing out. Bosses, I will talk to y'all later. If you made it to this part of the video, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn that post notification bell on so you'll know when I post, you feel me? And if you have anything else that you would like for me to do or try, hit them comments and let your boy know, you feel me? Once again, Pyramid, I'm out, babies.